Clearing your search history on Skype can help maintain your privacy and declutter your chat experience. Follow these steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Open Skype. Launch the Skype application on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Click on your profile picture or the three-dot menu in the top left corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy. In the Settings menu, look for the Privacy section. This is where you can manage your privacy settings, including your search history. Step 4. Clear search history. Within the privacy settings, find the option for Clear search history. Click on this option to remove all previous searches from your history. Step 5. Confirm the action. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to clear your search history. Confirm your choice to complete the process. By following these steps, you can easily clear your search history on Skype, helping to keep your account organized and private.